In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a user an admin in Google Workspace. If you manage a team or an organization using Google Workspace, delegating administrative roles is essential for ensuring smooth operations. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to promote a user to an admin position effectively and securely. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. You may already be familiar with this platform since it's where all your management tools live. Once there, make sure that you're on the main Google Workspace page. Now look for the Admin Console. This is your hub for managing everything in Google Workspace, from users and settings to security and groups. Click on it to proceed, and you'll be prompted to log in. Here, be sure to use your business email. This step is crucial as administrative privileges are often restricted to certain accounts within your domain. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you've logged in, your attention needs to shift to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu. This icon looks like a square composed of small dots. Clicking on this menu will give you access to all Google Apps services. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the admin icon. It's fairly easy to spot, just look for the symbol typically associated with admin functions. With the admin console up and running, direct your gaze towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here there's a sliding menu. You'll need to select Directory. If you don't spot it immediately, remember that it's often among the first few options available. Clicking on Directory takes you to a section focused on managing users and groups. Within the directory, locate and click on the Users tab. This area lists all users currently associated with your Google Workspace account. Browse through this list until you find the specific user whose role you wish to change. Click on their user profile to open up their settings. With the user's profile in view, you should now see an option to assign roles. Click on this option. This is a pivotal step because it's where you actually change the user's permissions. A new page will open that allows you to assign various roles. On this page, you'll be looking for the Super Admin role. It's important to note here that Super Admin has the most privileges and should be assigned with caution. Once you've found it, simply check the box next to Super Admin and save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully made a user an admin in Google Workspace. Each step is straightforward, but all are critical to ensuring that the user has been granted the necessary access. When delegating such roles, always ensure that users are well informed about their new responsibilities. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insightful guides.